Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe, please share, and please hit that like button. You know I've always said hit the like or the dislike. I like them all. Please hit the like button. It helps this channel grow, and you know I need all the help I can right now. I'm going to have an update on my wife at the end of this video. It's very good news, y'all. The House, the Senate, and the White House, will they ever agree? We know the House sent a bill over to the Senate almost 2.5 months ago, and they sat on their hands this whole time. Hadn't did anything. Now they want to act like they're in a hurry to get it done. We can see right through that. They've came up with a plan, and now they're going to have to send it back to the House to get their approval. And we know that it's going to meet opposition over there. We know that already. So, and they've created it so it will create opposition over there to kick the can down the road further. It's almost like they don't want to reach an agreement. But now the Senate has a plan. What's in that plan is a few good items and a few bad items. We're going to go over some of that right now. They did call Nancy Pelosi in to sit in on their meeting, creating this plan. They say it's because they want to, once they get this plan ready to send to the House, they want to get it passed fast. So with Nancy in there with them, they feel like that will make that happen. I don't buy that. That just don't sound right to me. But in any case, Nancy was sitting in. Now, what input she had in it, I don't know. Or was she just like a fly on the wall in there? I don't know. Now they will try to send it to the House and get the House to vote on it. But we know the House has already said they will not vote on a piecemealed plan. And that's exactly what this is. The House wants the full plan, everything included. They don't want to chop it up into little pieces and have a lot of different bills. They want it all at one time. Understandably so. So will they agree on something today? I hope I'm wrong, but I don't think so. I think this is a way to push the can further down the road, just like I just said. I don't believe they're even wanting to agree. Will the House agree on this bill if they get it to them today? I don't think so on that either. Will Trump sign the bill? If he gets it today, I'm almost sure that he will sign it today. But the chances of him getting it today is, in my view, very, very slim. But once President Trump gets the bill, I'm sure he will sign it very fast into law. Because if he don't, that looks bad on him. Okay, we know checks will be in it. This is still only a proposal, but it's starting. Stimulus checks right now are going to be set for $1,200 for a single person, $2,400 for a married couple, $500 for each dependent with no age limit and no limit on how many dependents. Keep in mind, this is just a proposal. Once it gets to the House, they could deal it up. It could go up further than $1,200. We just have to wait and see on that. People that owes back child support will not get a check. People in prison will not get a check. People on SSI, SSDI, Social Security, and Railroad Pension, they will get the check. Income gaps for this check for a single person is $75,000. For a couple is $150,000. And if you go above $150,000, it's tiered down. I believe it's $100 per thousand, something like that. I'm not real sure on that. Right now, this is set to be a one-time check, but that can change also. No hazard pay is included. No essential worker pay is included. But of course, the FBI building is included. Andrew McCarthy said that we need a bigger stimulus check. He is calling for $2,000 per month. I don't really see that happening. Nancy Pelosi, she says she wants a bigger check. President Trump has said he wants a bigger check. So let's just see where this goes and see what happens here. Remember, November is the election year. This alone will have a big factor in this stimulus package. Everybody wants to try to outdo the other person to sway their vote. Everybody knows that if they say no, if they kick that can down the road further and further and further, make people suffer more, everybody knows that if they say no and that happens, that it will be almost political suicide. So I think maybe they're going to rush this through. Maybe something will happen good. We'll just have to wait and see. Isn't that what Mitch McConnell told us? Wait and see. Just as soon as something comes up on that stimulus package, I will be back on here and let you know. But right now, I'm going to get into the good news about my wife. As you know, yesterday, they told me she was doing much better. And I did get to talk to her on the phone. That was so wonderful. God is answering prayers. I didn't tell you all this yesterday, but when I hung up the phone from her, I'm a fat guy, y'all. I don't run. I ran from room to room to room to room, running in my house for about 10 minutes. I couldn't stop running and thanking God. When I did stop and sit down, I had sweat all on my forehead from running so hard. I could not stop. This morning when I talked to her nurse said she's doing good. She had a real good night. She set up and ate breakfast this morning by herself, no assistance. She's still on just the oxygen tube, no CPAP machine. She's alert, talking. Everything is good. All of her vitals are good and everything. And then this right here, this is going to be the best news in the world. When she told me this, I literally had to hang on to the wall because I almost fell down. They're moving her out of ICU today. It's still in a unit, but it's progressive care, and that's a step closer to the regular floor. I only have God to thank for answering y'all's prayers. Y'all, thank you so much for all your prayers, all your emails, all your private messages, all your cards and letters. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know. But she's not out yet, so please don't stop praying. She still needs your prayers. She still needs God's healing hands on her. we all have to ask God to forgive her. To heal her. I'm sorry. Ask God to heal her, because we know if we don't ask, we don't get. Y'all, I love you all. Please keep her in your prayers. And just know, I love you all. And you are like my extended family. You're closer to me than most of my family. And I love you all. Ciao.